Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at my DMO or daily method of operation with WarriorPlus. So guys, I use WarriorPlus as my main affiliate network to get my results and keep my consistent actions done and also traffic running and everything else. So I use WarriorPlus as a hub. And this video, we are going to specifically look at what my DMO is, what am I exactly doing, and how do you can do this yourself. Okay guys, here I am on my screen and let's get into it right away. If you're coming back to my channel for the first time, or you're just getting to know me, welcome to the channel first and foremost. I wanted to share with you today specifically about my daily method of operation, because a lot of people have been asking me, David, what is the actual step-by-step process that you're following? Well, guys, this is it right as you see on the screen. I haven't been doing anything else but this for the last year itself and continuously generating commissions and sales. Obviously, that's not guaranteed for anybody, but I'm saying this because it has been working for me. And what I've done is I've used myself as a case study last year and created this whole strategy, all the small details about it. Obviously, I can't share on these videos everything. So I've created a course about it, and it is called Affiliate Marketing Essentials. It's in the description of this video in case you're interested at any point of time. Again, you can just follow along with this video if that's something that's interesting for you, or you can get the course. It's really up to you. Now, at the end of the day, why do I keep it as simple as that? I do have a full-time job. This is something that I do on the side. It's my side hustle. So I follow these steps very diligently and very, methodically, actually every single day. So there are two steps that go on in my whole daily method of operation. One is the step one, which is basically sending out an email every single day to 100 to 9,000 leads, but I get 100 to 200 leads every day, and that accumulates over time. So in a month, I have already 3,000 to 6,000 leads, depending on if you're getting 100 or 200 every single day, right? And when I do that, I send out an email every single day without fail or with an offer on WarriorPlus to be able to generate a sale. And then from there, what I do is I make sure that I reinvest those earnings or those profits into buying a high quality paid advertising or paid traffic that goes to my whole sales process. So how do I get these things done? What is my daily method of operations? First and foremost, I just want to let you know the cost directly upfront so you understand how I run my business. It costs me $30 every single month to have those 100 to 200 leads. You see, I'm doing it because I want to save time. In order for me to generate 100 to 200 leads every day, it is a little bit difficult. So therefore, I utilize this method to have, a consistent flow of traffic. That being said, that solves the side of saving time for myself. So that's why I get 100 to 200 leads every single day using this exact strategy. Now, it cost me $30, as I said, monthly for that to be maintained, and I have it, continuously moving for me. And that's about it, because the offer, I have a one-time purchase of the offer. So let's say in order to get things set up, you spend $100, okay? If you do spend $100, that's really up to you. If you have a higher ticket offer, a lower ticket offer, it's really up to you. But me personally, I have one offer that is actually right now at the time of when I'm shooting this video, it costs just $10, and I utilize that to share on my lead gen secrets, which is the lead platform that I use. And then I get sales and commissions over there. So that's kind of how I keep the ball rolling. And then I utilize that cash flow that I'm generating to be able to build my email list with a higher quality traffic. So Google paid per ads, or different kinds of advertising, paid advertising that I use. Why? Again, because I want to save my time and I don't want to use it. Now, paid advertising, guys, I'm saying it up front, is not for everybody. It is a strategy that I personally follow because I have the patience, I have the diligence, and I know that I need to do this for at least 12 months to be able to gain the data, and then from that data focus on the conversions. You see, the thing that happens in affiliate marketing, there are two main skill sets that are important. One is generating or advertising. The second is conversions. So advertising and conversions. The conversions part is related to copy or copywriting, whether it is from your advertising, your copy, or it is a skill set that you would use in your emails, your landing pages, your whole entire sales process, your communication style. So copy is a very, very strong part of the conversion factor. But the advertising, you can either go the paid route or the free route. The free route is, creating videos on social media. And I absolutely suggest whoever is started, if you do not have the budget and you do not have the mindset for paid advertising, go free. Utilize these platforms to be able to do it free. And then if you want to then scale up, go with paid. I personally got started with paid just because of the time factor. I wanted this. My priority is doing my day-to-day things. I'm enjoying my life to the fullest. This is a side hustle, as I said. It's not something that is getting me, instant commissions or something like that. It's growing over time, and I'm building it long term. I'm looking at it long term. So I want to spend less time online. And obviously, when you use social media and everything else, you're spending more time to create that content, to do those things. I spend less time there and I focus on paid advertising. So all my results that I share with you on my screen, and let me actually go ahead and share with you my results so that you guys can see. But let's just go to transactions and let's just look at all time so you guys can see the strategy works. I've been only following this strategy and I've earned already $4,300 in commissions, $7,000 in sales, and it just keeps getting better and better. So how do I do this? What is my daily method of operation in functioning here? I wake up every morning, I send out an email through my Legion Secrets, and I send it to an offer on WarriorPlus. As you guys can see right here, MLGS is the tracking code that I use. And I also check the day that I'm sending. So I get sales almost every day, not every day, but almost every day at this stage from my Legion Secrets. And I'm tracking those. Why? Because then I write better emails, which get conversions. So I focus on the conversions to improve that quantity of sales that I'm getting every single month, right? That's the whole aim, conversions. So I write an email every day. That's the first thing. I send an email out every day to an offer on WarriorPlus. Then what I do, and this is the interesting part, what I do then, I use basically my traffic sources and I use the funds that I have in WarriorPlus to be able to pay for those traffic sources. So for example, let me just go and show you my wallet. And you can see right now in my wallet, I have $314 and I have a pending of 117 to come in. But you can see purchases here. So luckily enough, I have found some really solid traffic vendors that I personally use. And as you can see, for example, I purchased 1,000 clicks on the 11th of February, as you can see right here. Then I've purchased another 100 clicks here, another 100 clicks here, 500, and then so on and so forth. So every month I keep buying traffic and utilizing these commissions to be able to fill my email list. Now my email list is growing. I use system.io to actually host my entire sales process, from the sales pages to the email follow-up to everything. And this is kind of how I function, right? So my daily method of operations is definitely less emailing because I have a campaign set up in system.io. And I'm going to show you that, guys, so that you can see. I have a campaign set up right here. And this campaign is basically a campaign that has 48 emails. And you can see it has pretty good conversion rate. It's pretty much above 15% on the entire campaign. And it's actually, I'm working towards getting it to at least 20 to 25%. In the front end, it's 34%. This I'm trying to get even higher. So all of these elements are part and parcel of the conversion side, right? The copywriting skill set side. But I've set up this campaign once. The only thing that I do on a regular basis is I send newsletters out to my leads every single weekend. So every Sunday, I send out a newsletter to my entire list so that I give them updates on myself and so on and so forth. But the reality is I'm following the step-by-step process. So I'm spending the money. And if you think about it, I'm spending the money to be able to actually make those, increase my list. So my daily method of operation is sending out an email every day and making sure I have advertising running. That's it. I keep it as simple as that. And in doing so, you can see, if I just go to my dashboard, you can see the last month I made a $500 the last month, and this month I made 400 already. It's getting to 500 for sure. So we're going on the right path. And again, these are my results, guys. I cannot guarantee you these results, but the whole daily method of operation is making sure that I am having consistent advertising going to my funnel. And that funnel is built in system.io. It does take time initially to understand the tools, to use the setup and everything else. But again, I go through this entire strategy within Affiliate Marketing Essentials. So in case you want that, link is in the description of this video. So get up in the morning, send out an email. That's my aim. Once that email is sent, I technically don't need to do anything because I already have traffic. I already have advertising running to my funnel. Additionally, what I personally do is I make Facebook Reels. I make, some videos, short form content, and these kind of videos to document my journey, but also to get additional free traffic. Now, that is not my core element. That is just something extra that I do. The strategy still remains the same. And this way, I'm getting consistent Let me show you. Okay, consistent statistics. So consistent traffic basically to, let's say, this month. Let's look at this month. Consistent, sorry guys, consistent clicks to my offers and everything that I'm sharing, right? So everything gets consistent clicks. That's the main point over here. I need to be advertising in order for me to get those conversions. I need the advertising data to be able to improve my conversions. It all functions in this manner. Guys, I hope that makes sense. This is my pretty much my daily method of operations. It takes me less than 30 minutes to do everything. And I just wanted to share that today, to show you how I'm using Warrior Plus. It's a great platform, honestly, specifically for the make money online niche, for the wealth niche. If you're looking for health and wellness products, maybe look at ClickBank, maybe look at Digistore 24. These are other affiliate networks that you can use in order for you to start generating. But then have that element in place. Are you advertising? And then are you growing your email list? Are you advertising? Are you growing your email list so that you can convert those leads? And you own that advertising, and you can convert those leads faster. Those are the two skill sets that's needed: advertising and copywriting. Guys, thanks for watching. If you want to know more about the affiliate marketing essentials, if you want to work with me personally as well, link is in the description to this course, and you can find everything there, including access to me in my Facebook group within the course itself. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next video, which is also going to be, by the way, next week, I'm going to be talking about my updates for the last month of February. We're going to see those very in depth, and you will love it. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.